morning from Entikko Safari Lodge. Guys, I've just had literally the best sleep I've had this entire week. So you know how we do it on this channel. On days when we have safari or any kind of journey to make, we are so excited to wake up. On days that we don't have something or like a journey to do, we are really not fans of waking up this early. And when I say this early, this is like at around 4 a.m. and I'm getting ready for my morning game drive in Murchison Falls National Park. So let me get ready. See you guys in a few. So guys, these are our outfits for the day. So this is how it looks outside. It is very cold, guys. So that's the restaurant area. We're not gonna have breakfast. They are going to pack it for us. Let's go! Nelly, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You're sleepy.
I'm not sleepy.
Good morning, guys. So we are doing the boat cruise first. We had thought of doing the game drive first, but now we chose to do and see how beautiful this place looks. These guys have just arrived and they're not supposed to be signing us in. So I had to wait for them a little bit. A little.
What's up, guys?
What up?
Fun right here at Murchison.
Yo, what? Enoch? Eh?
Tess.
Nelly. Okay, it's called Regan, not Enoch.
We're back.
For what animal?
Which animal?
What? Giving ginger thropus.
So after that, a very long morning and afternoon. We're back to Entikko Safari Lodge. I think I should show you guys what we are eating. We have rice and meatballs. Then I'm seeing some plantain and chapati. I think those are peas. Some sweet potatoes, some meat, some vegetables, and some sauce and I think it's liver. And then we have some fruit here, my favorite fruit, jackfruit, and oops, there's an insect here. And then watermelon and pineapple. All that we are going to enjoy with a view of the pool. Those are our rooms right there. Thank you. Before we even get to the park, and we're just going to see the falls, but yeah, we can already see falls. Guys, the last time we were here, it wasn't this crazy. Look at that, guys. Look at that. What? This is crazy. This is crazy! Hey! Eunice, Tess! This is crazy. I'm dripping wet, but it's worth it. See my shirt, see my